Hi friends, only a perfect website can make your business successful, and a perfect website can be made only with a perfect theme. WP Themes channel makes it easier for you as it brings the best chosen WordPress themes for you. If you want to make a wonderful modern e-commerce website, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to overview the complete modern and new Kakon WordPress theme, which is specifically made for modern e-commerce websites. Kakon is a modern e-commerce WordPress theme, and it has been developed by Zeno Design. So Zeno Design being the main original developers of Kakon WordPress theme, and Kakon is a clean, professional and modern e-commerce WordPress theme for online shopping stores. The theme was developed in 2018, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. It supports the latest version of WooCommerce and all the advanced and normally used browsers. The theme pack comes with a well documented setup guide and all the PHP files, CSS files, JS files, and you can certainly use this theme for your online shop. And this is being a demo website made with Kakon WordPress theme. This is of course a WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it is best designed and aesthetically designed for e-commerce websites. Those who want to start your business, those who want to make a fashion shop online, you can say, it is really very great. So in this video we are going to install Kakon WordPress theme. We will make a demo website like this and preview the theme options, all the basic customization options, whatever is available and with the Kakon WordPress theme. The purpose of video is being to overview the complete features of this theme so that you may take the buying decision and understand the features that actually going to help your website in future respects. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the 2021 WordPress theme is running on the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.1 as on date, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have the main theme file and online documentation link has been provided. So we shall be using kakon.zip file for installation purpose. To install the theme, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress, where there is only one default 2021 theme is being displayed, is available, or here we have to add a new theme, that is Kakon, and we have to click on add new and upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose kakon.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly to WP content themes folder. It is a more easier method to upload the theme if you are having direct access on your file manager through control panel or FTP. It works fine in fact. So I am choosing the same method to upload the theme. However, it is fine if you upload the theme using the WordPress panel. Both works in a similar manner. This is being the WordPress panel and I am uploading directly to the server hosting through the file manager. Just wanted to show you the theme file size. This is only a 5.75 MB size WordPress theme, which simply indicates it is a well written, well coded and well optimized WordPress theme. So this is being a lightweight theme, and that is definitely going to work fast on your website. Now once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And upon extraction, we got this Kakon folder in which we got all the theme components. All folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. It is not required now. Now go back to the theme section, and we have Kakon as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Kakon version 1.2.8, and Kakon is a modern multi-purpose WooCommerce WordPress theme. Let us activate it. Upon activation, we got landed on a welcome page of Kakon, and this page also gives an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to use the complete features of this theme. Let us begin installing the plugins, and these are the list of plugins that are some are required and some are recommended. So we are going to install all these plugins to understand the complete feature of the theme, and that comes on the website with the theme and plugins. Just in case if you are not willing to use some features like MailChimp or YITH WooCommerce wishlist, we can later deactivate and delete these plugins, and don't keep the inactive plugins in your installation. But initially I wish to recommend you to install all the plugins. To installing plugins, you can select to install all plugins in one go if you have a suitable WordPress hosting, and if you are ordering the Kakon WordPress theme at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description of video, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen. So take a perfect hosting plan for your website. It is very necessary for success of your website, because all depends on the speed and the functionality of your website. If your hosting plan is not suitable, it is not going to work. Even it may be difficulty in installation of theme. So you can opt to have a pre-installed WordPress theme on a suitable hosting plan by following the link given in the description. Now I have selected all the plugins to install in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid error during the plugin installation process. And now, as you can see, all the plugins got installed in just few seconds. And now we can go back to the plugin installer screen to activate all the installed themes. So you can see all the plugins has been installed, and now we can simply activate all the installed plugins in a single click by selecting all plugins and selecting the activate option and hitting the apply button. Wonderful. So we have installed all the plugins suggested, recommended and required for Kakon WordPress theme. Click on dashboard. It may require further information for WooCommerce. Just to check, yes, it is going to WooCommerce welcome page, and here I am putting the test information. You have to put the original one as applicable for you. It is a necessary process. Either you have to do in the beginning or after the complete installation. So I suggest to complete it right now. It will not take more than 2 minutes for you as well. So it is a WooCommerce installation, and you have to complete the steps, nothing else, and remove the free features that is not required. You can install additional plugins later. So it got checked again, and here you need to choose continue with my active theme, and it is important. So continue with my active theme, Cocoon, of course. Okay, so the Jetpack was installed during this installation, so we will go back to the installation again. So I will get instance one. Okay, we don't need to configure all these things, so I will disable these additional free plugin that came with the WooCommerce that was actually not required, and it is just, we can opt to have plugins as and when required, of course. So Jetpack, I am deactivating the Jetpack, it is not required for now, and even MailPoet is not required. So I am deleting the unrequired plugin. MailChimp is there from the developer side itself, so I am leaving it. WooCommerce and WP Reset is for me, not for you. Page Builder is required, YITH is here, Kirki Customizer Framework, Envato Market is also not required. So I am just cleaning the installation, and I also suggest to do this at your end as well. So okay, everything is fine, and we have installed all the plugins that those are required, and this is saying the some templates are not updated, but it does not matter, so just ignore these messages. The theme will work fine, we have already tested. So this is being the clean interface, clean dashboard, and since we have installed all the plugins and theme itself, so we can take a look of our website how it looks with the theme and plugin. So this is being the basic look of Cocoon theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And if you are in plan for making your website with your own wireframe, your own design, you can start building your website scratch from here. If you don't want to use a pre-made website like this, I mean if you don't want to use a pre-made design for you and you want to make your own, so you can develop at your own, that is not a problem. You shall be getting all facility of theme and plugin from this stage, and you can create your website at your own. But WordPress is known for pre-made website, and we shall be making a demo website like this. So this is our target website. Only one demo is available in Cocoon. This is a simple WooCommerce WordPress theme that presents your products in a very suitable manner, and you can even use this theme for creating Amazon affiliate e-commerce website. Like this product is from Amazon affiliate, so Amazon is not connected here, this is why it is not loading. But yes, you can connect your Amazon affiliate account and you can start making money online by using the Cocoon WordPress theme as like e-commerce website. Okay, so let us proceed towards the demo installation, and I'll show you each and every option that we got with this theme, with this installation. First, let us complete the demo installation, and for demo content import, I am just looking for the option where it is. I need to refresh this page, I assume. Okay, so demo importer is laying under the Cocoon tab itself, and we have already installed the plugins, and it is saying Envato Market installation required. However, it is not required actually, but I am installing as it is saying. So Envato Market is required, so I am just fulfilling the requirements. So to read this line, in fact, good news, all plugins are already installed and up to date, please continue. Okay, so we shall continue now, and it is under Cocoon tab, and next option is import. So now this is very important screen for you if you are using another hosting plan. I mean, if you are not using the hosting provided by the WP themes, so this screen is actually important for everyone. This screen is important, so we have to check every value should be green here. So if it is not green, you can change the PHP ini files, and you can update the PHP ini to make it green and make it perfect for your WordPress WooCommerce installation. So it is very important. Without making it green, don't proceed, and it is not actually going to work until it is green. Don't proceed. Okay, so now we have an option to select what we want to import in the demo content, and we have content, widgets, slider data, and set home page. So these are the options. So we cannot import the option panel setting because it is being a new website. Okay, so I have selected everything whatever can be imported, and simply clicking on import data, and this is a simple alert that it is going to import everything, and I clicked on yes, and now the import of demo content is started, and it may take certain time. I assume it may take up to 5 or 10 minutes even, and you have to be here without refreshing the page, without hitting the back button. Your due patience is required on this screen. If you really want to have a demo website like this, you have to wait. So meanwhile, you can explore more features of this theme and each and everything. So this is the GDPR consent. So it is now being necessary if your website is serving in certain regions of the world where GDPR compliances is applicable. So you can keep this active, and it is cookie information you might have seen in multiple websites. And this is the wishlist tab. So I have not added any product in the wishlist, so this is why it is nothing is being displayed here. And you can see the newsletter pop-up is arising multiple times, so you can use this newsletter system to grow your email marketing database, and it is also important nowadays. So ultimately you have to sell your product using this website, and if you are having a good number of customers database, you can definitely promote your products accordingly, and you can take advantage of being the database with you. And it is a good looking website. It has simple and stunning look, and you can start your business using this theme, of course. So let us check where we are, and okay, that is good. So this screen is saying import completed successfully, and it did not took I believe more than 2 minutes. So we can this is the very pleasant screen which we want to see during the WordPress installation process. So let us visit our website. It is simply saying visit site, so we can take a look. Yes, so complete website is here. We are with the new website, and all the contents has been provided in the demo website itself, and so the complete website is here, and we can simply check and click and check from any one of the listing. This is one of the product which is loading on the screen. It is taking time a bit, but I believe it is only optimization step, and definitely we are going to have a wonderful speed website. And yes, this is the single product listing, and it has simple look, and the related products is also here. So all is good, all features are here, and this is being the my account, and my account screen gives a feature to log in for the users, and this is also being a simple page. So we have everything at this website, and we just need to put our product and start selling online. And now it is time to show you the okay, so it got logged out. I was just cleaning the cookies. Now I'm going to show you the theme panels and all the features that we got along with this installation. And this is being the Kakon tab, and in the Kakon tab we have used everything, and this is good enough. And system status is always important, so I'm just overviewing the complete installation. PHP post max size 516, and so this is red, however it should be green. So it is simple to make this green in PHP INI settings, so I have shown in my another video. You can do this, and rest our things are fine. So we are using Apache server, so I must tell you this is not a light speed server, so it may impact your installation. Light speed is also a good server, but we suggest to use the Apache Linux hosting. This is a technical thing, but yes, it is good one. Okay, so rest of things are fine, and rest post media plugins, these are the common things as available on WordPress, and I assume there is no separate theme panel except this Kakon tab, and we have already used the complete features available in Kakon tab. And now for customizing, we have to go in the default customize option, the appearance section. So let us check what is here. I assume so basic settings shall be available here only. Okay, so some settings are available, we can consider it as theme panel. So general options are here, site identity, homepage settings, so color options, so we can change the main color from this screen, page header options, and extra options. Okay, typography options, so you can change the body text and fonts, colors, heading and all. Header options again, so logo can be changed from here, so it is important that where to change logo. So logo option is here, you can upload your own logo. Just keep in mind you have to consider the dimension of images like logo and each and everything that you are going to use on your website. So to maintain the integrity of website, you have to use the same dimension images as has been shown, as has been used in the demo itself. So header options, header option, in the header option you can enable the sticky header, pull width header, menu buttons, so account, cart and search wishlist. This is being the important thing. Whatever you want to show you can select here, and language switcher and currency switcher is also available, and Ajax search is here. So you can enable or disable the Ajax search, and you might be aware about the Ajax search and its features. So this is being the Ajax search feature, so that you can enable or disable. That works fine, so keep it enabled. Okay, so and we have already seen the header options. So similarly, footer options are here. You can choose the number of columns that you need in the footer, and you can change the footer text from this screen. WooCommerce basic settings, so shop general, shop notice, and all the basic settings for WooCommerce has been given here. Blog options, page options, and extra options. So this is being the subscription pop-up. You can switch it off if you don't need that particular newsletter pop-up that is coming again and again. You can control that from here. And cookie notice, that is that we seen in the bottom of the page, that is GDPR. That was for those countries that where GDPR is necessary, so you can keep it off or on as required. Menus, some menus and view locations, and also setting widgets and additional CSS. So these are the basic setting, and these are the enough setting that is required for this website. And yes, so we have a nice website using the Cocoon WordPress theme, and yes, we can use this for our e-commerce setup. And this is being the final website. So now I am finally going to show you how to edit the page contents using this theme. Uses the WP Bakery page builder, and editing with WP Bakery page builder is always been easy, but I will advise you, if you are new in WordPress development, I will advise you to take a backup of page that you are going to edit, at which you are going to add the contents, at least for home page. You can use any duplicated plugin for that. So just to make a backup of page, so that just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page and open that particular page that you want to edit, and simply click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. You might have certain questions regarding this installation process, so you just feel free to write me in the comment section of this video. I'll definitely try to reply and resolve your queries. And also you can get in touch with me by following the link given in the description of this video. So that is one-to-one interaction. I always used to reply the queries of my visitors. And again, so you can choose to have this theme by following the link, and everything is there in a single link. So I'll rather advise you to use backend editor. Sometimes front-end editor does not works fine, so I am assuming. So this is being the backend editor, and this theme uses revolution slider for hero image. So this slider section can be controlled with the revolution slider, and this is being the revolution slider, and you can change the main and hero images from the revolution slider section. And rest setting can be simply rest text and contents can be simply edited from here. So you can simply put or change the text here, and it is very simple. And if you just in case you don't want to use any particular section, you can delete from here or you can change from here. So just pencil icon is going to help you for everything. And so I got some question where to edit the background. So this is an image and that has been used in the background. I'll show you. So this is a background image in fact, and if you want to change this, so I was saying this is being the background image, and simply click on edit on this pencil icon, edit the row, and it is simple, but I got some question, this is why I am showing you. So design options, and this is being the background image that has been used here, and you can change this image. I believe this is being that image, and so you can check where it is. So custom heading fashion collection background image. So fashion collection, featured categories, oh, somehow it is not available on page, so we are checking the main demo. So I was just saying how to edit the background itself. So countdown buttons, so let us check this page. I'll match the content for you, and like bestsellers is here, latest news is here. So and just in case you want to, newsletter is here, top products, bestseller is here, and countdown, it is not being used exactly, and fashion collection. So everything is here as on page, and you can edit the content accordingly. This is the countdown in fact, and that is also here. So every page items will be available here for edit purpose. You can simply click on the pencil icon and you shall be able to edit the content. So I believe I have shown you each and everything about the Cocoon theme, and you might have a plan to make a wonderful e-commerce website, and you are going to make the same using this theme. And just feel free to connect us just in case you need further customization or further features for this website. We are also going to support you in the customization of your website, in fact, for adding certain features or the change of features or something like that. So just be in touch with us. We are with you for making your website successful, and you have just to follow the link given in the description. And now I will request you, if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, because I am going to bring wonderful WordPress theme, plugins and utilities for you. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.